How to open new Hulu account. To register Hulu account, first of all open any browser you have in your device and then on the searching bar search for Hulu. Then you will see official website of Hulu, that is www.hulu.com. Simply tap on it. Now here you will see at the bottom sign up now. Simply tap on it. Then choose a plan that you want to go with and then select. Now here you have to add your email address and then hit on the continue. Now since you have not created your account, here choose a password, add your name, birth date and gender, and last hit on done, and then you are good to go. In this very easy step you can easily open new Hulu account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.